Have you ever heard of Larry from Fort Myers, Florida? He's 62, retired HVAC contractor, spent 35 years building up a solid nest egg, just over $784,000 in his 401k. But in 2022, he watched nearly $80,000 vanish in one quarter. His words? I felt sick, like someone had pulled the rug out from under my retirement. Hold on to that story, because Larry made a decision that changed everything, and you might want to consider the same move. Right now, the economy feels like it's running on sand. Inflation is eating up purchasing power. The Fed is stuck between raising rates and avoiding recession. Just last week, the IMF warned that U.S. debt could spiral unless bold fiscal action is taken. And with President Trump surging in the polls, market uncertainty is only intensifying. So what's the safest way to invest after 60 without losing growth potential? Let's talk about what Larry did. See, Larry didn't just sit tight and hope. He took a portion of his retirement, specifically $12,000, and rolled it into a Gold IRA. Not all of it, just the part he couldn't afford to lose. And no, this isn't about stashing gold bars in a safe. A Gold IRA is a federally regulated retirement account backed by physical precious metals. You still maintain tax advantages. But unlike stocks or bonds, gold doesn't crash when Wall Street panics. In fact, it often rises. When banks fail, when inflation spikes, when politicians play chicken with the debt ceiling, gold shines. And get this, Larry's Gold IRA actually grew during 2023, while his old portfolio lagged. But the best part? Peace of mind. He told me, I don't check the markets every morning anymore. I sleep better. My wife sleeps better. We feel protected. But let's be real. Making a big change like this isn't easy, especially when the mainstream financial world is pushing you to just ride it out. That's why I want to give you something, a free Gold IRA guide, plus access to a no-pressure one-on-one call with a real expert. No sales gimmicks, no free silver bait, just education, tailored to your retirement goals. And yes, Larry's journey started with this exact same free call. So if you're over 60, if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, and you're tired of worrying whether your retirement will be enough, take this step. You've worked hard to build a future. Now it's time to protect it. Click below. Get the free guide. Take the call. Because your legacy deserves more than hope. It deserves security.